Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just to let you know that I have purchased an item, very useful item this is, which is very much useful for this Z906 satellite speakers. I did not set this up at my new house now. I just recently shifted my house and I thought of setting these speakers on all the corners of my home so that I can enjoy all the 5.1 channel. Let me just unbox this, the wall mount actually. See, this is the wall mount. This is completely a metal, a very heavy one. This costed me each 445 rupees. I just got it from SP Road, Bangalore. Each cost me 445 rupees. This is a thick metal, complete metal, no plastic used anywhere. And this one is a brass one. The main thing which connects to the speaker, this is made up of brass. Okay, and they have also given the screws where we can drill it into the wall and plug this thing into these holes, these three holes. Okay, this connects like this to the wall. Okay, there's one small Allen key over here. Not sure if you are able to see. Let me just turn on the flash. Yeah, there's a small Allen key over here. If we lose that, this thing will come up automatically. Okay, and this thing goes actually to the back of these satellite speakers. See, it connects like this. We can connect it like this. One second, let me just fit this inside. It connects like this. I need an Allen key. I have to check in my tools box if I found an Allen key. See, it connects like this to the wall actually. It is very much adjustable. This is a ball inside. This complete piston will move around. You can connect it however you want. Alright, this is it. I'll do one thing. I'll just make another video once these all things are installed in my home. Alright, thank you so much guys. Take care. Bye. And one more thing, sorry, I'll leave the link and the photograph of this seller actually, so that if anybody is interested, they can just contact him directly and buy one. Thank you guys. Bye.